how to sign in to Purse Plus. Welcome to the future of SocialFi on X.com with Purse Plus Social AI. To sign in to your Purse Plus account, you'll need an invitation code. You can obtain this exclusive code from the PurseX.com page or through our official website. After installing the Purse Plus extension, you'll be prompted to authorize it through your X account. Simply click on the Purse Plus icon located in the top right corner of your browser, or open the extension from your browser window. Next, click Sign In on the Purse Plus sidebar, which will open the app authorization screen. Here, you'll grant permission for Purse Plus to access your X account by clicking the Authorize App button. This step is crucial as it allows you to seamlessly integrate your X.com activities with Purse Plus Social AI, transforming your tweets into powerful AI contributions. Once authorization is complete, enter your invitation code in the Purse Plus sidebar and click Next to continue. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your X account with Purse Plus Social AI. All your activities will be recorded on-chain, ensuring transparency and security. You are now ready to dive into the world of AI-enhanced tasks and start earning rewards.